Kesang Doma and I make videos on lifestyle, food and DIYs, and today's video is a food vlog featuring one of the newest restaurant come food joint in Kalimpong, and that is Dosa Plaza. Now this is situated at Dumber's Chowk, right opposite to the Yalong Diagnostic, and this place serves you lots and lots of varieties of dosa as the name suggests, you know. So yeah, that is why I am here, and I'm so sorry for this motorbike noises and the vehicle and everything because it's just besides the road and I cannot go away with it. So yeah, before I walk you through Dosa Plaza, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean a lot. With that being said, let's just get inside Dosa Plaza and get some yummy delicious dosa, shall we? Okay, so Dosa Plaza has this open sitting space, so yeah, and like you see this is their kitchen space, so you guys will be able to see your food being prepared. I love how Kalimpong is adapting to open kitchens, like center space mostly utilized cafes. So Dosa Plaza, it's like the space is like very tiny, but they have utilized it really well. So yeah, you have their sitting arrangements here, and you also have softy machine. So they also have softy machine, so you guys can cool down your guts after you have the spicy or non-spicy dosas here. Today I will be trying their masala cheese dosa because I love masala dosa and I love cheese, so I thought just like a combination of that must be great, so yeah, I'm gonna have that, and right now I'm waiting for my order. Alright, so I'm having the cheese masala dosa, and this is for 150. You have the plate, and this is like quite a quantity. If KT also so yeah, I'll taste for the first sambar, Kalimpongma पनि अर्कै त्यो खानाहरुको टेस्ट पाउँदाखेरि हैप्पी खुसी लाग्दिँदो रहेछ. So this is good. Like little more to us is like sweet side, Take a little bit of this coconut chutney. I like how they give their fillings much of distribute good. Number prior to dosa place you make the dosa roti and you beach and then talk for but they kind of like spread the masala all over the dosa roti and then they'll fold it and they'll cut it into pieces for you guys, so that makes it like easy to eat, and because the masala is well distributed, then you guys can enjoy the flavor of the food in each and every bite. Tangy, sweet, coconut flavor, that coconutty flavor. This is a good combo. And of course the cheese. The Dosa Plaza is a pure veg restaurant and it remains open till 9 AM in the night and throughout the week. Apart from dosa, you guys can also get like momos, chow mein, and obviously the motka ko chai and all ka Calcutta film ma tapaihharu khandakheri pani huncha. Winter ma ta jhan maja aउँछ बेलुका बेलुका निस्केर हैन. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna finish up my dosa, which is really tasty. So all you people who want to taste something new, like you want to have like some kind of new cuisine in Kalimpong, then you guys can definitely should check out Dosa Plaza. They have a lot of options to choose from, like I said, and like treat your taste buds something different once in a while. Alright, I think that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all visit Dosa Plaza, and I think they have an Instagram handle as well, so if they have it, I'll link it down in the description box so you guys can follow them and check them out, and support your small businesses, new entrepreneurs in Kalimpong. That is how the place will develop and grow, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, stay creative and stay curious. And that was another hunger. Bye. Peace out. Okay guys, so if you see on their name, like this Dosa Plaza, there's this like fork and like knife, right? So that is because they wanted to like show that they have like 101 varieties of dosa. So they have like 80 different flavors of dosa on their menu, and like other you guys can like customize that. So you guys can just come here and order whatever like dosa you want, whatever combination you want, and they're gonna like make it for you. So it's like Dosa 101 Plaza.